Welcome to Crazy Gamer Models. I am the Crazy Gamer and I do models. It is Feedback Friday and Giveaway Update. Okay folks, as always we put the links up at the beginning of the episode where you can visit me on social media, and you can also visit me on Patreon to help support the channel, and that'll be also where the poll is for the giveaway. So you don't have to join to do the poll, you just have to hop on over there with the poll link in the description of the video and you can vote on what item you want in the poll. So let's get started here. Okay, so last week we had a poll for the items. The giveaway was at $17.50. It's still at $17.50, but we're going to deduct some money for it because the winner of the poll was a 20 pack of micro applicators. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get an assortment of different applicators, 4 different kinds, 5 of each, and they come out to $1.50. So $1.50 is going to be deducted from the giveaway, so it's now at $16 even. It has a chance to go up to $20 minus $1.50 if we get to 200 subscribers. But the micro applicators is now in the giveaway, and now it's time for 4 new items for this week's giveaway. And these can be a little bit more expensive, so it could raise the price up, or there is a lower cost option in the works. I have here a pack of K&S sanding film. You get 5 different grits. You have 600, 400, 320, 280, and 150. They are a pretty good sanding film. I get this at my local hobby store. They're great. It's a great package. They're great wet dry. It'll crack. It'll peel. They're a pretty good sanding film. So this is option number 1, or one of the options. So that's that. And then the other option is a pack of grindy bits, little burrs for a rotary tool. So I believe this is a 20 pack. So that could be one option you can choose from. That's not as expensive as you think. And the next option is a roll of 18 mil masking tape from Tamiya, or a roll of 6 mil masking tape from Tamiya. So that's one item together. So you pick the Tamiya masking tape, you get one 18 and one 6 millimeter. And then coming back from the first one is the Stevens International Sanding Stick Assortment. So this is bringing back from the first poll. It was a tie based on the other 3 items, so I'm going to bring one back on every giveaway. So the Stevens International Sanding Sticks, it's an 8 count. You will get 3 of these sanding sticks. You will get 2 of the flat sanding sticks, and then you get 3 of the bendy sanding sticks. So that's the Stevens International. It's an 8 pack of those, and that is what is basically in today's giveaway. But it is also Bismarck week, and we can't have a Friday of Bismarck week without a little information on the Bismarck. So I want to talk to you about the float planes that the Bismarck used. They were an Aldero AR-196, and I have this little kit from Trumpeter in 1/350th scale. It is kit number 06206. It's 6 different aircraft, which will cover all that the Bismarck had. They are all clear. You can build them wings folded in or out, and they're all clear, so you can have that nice clear canopy. You get 6 sprues of those, and you also get 6 sprues of those, and you get some decals with the German markings on them. So that's basically it. It's not very expensive. You can get it on Amazon. I got mine from my local hobby store, who gets theirs from Stevens International, but you see that I have a lot of products from them. So now a little bit of information on the Bismarck's float planes here. Onboard aircraft were needed on modern battleships for reconnaissance, searching for enemy convoys being the primary activity. Aircraft could also be used during artillery engagements for observing fall of shot and fire direction, as well as for observing attack enemy in the air or on the water surface. The Eldorado AR-196, a low-wing monoplane aircraft, was the type chosen for the Bismarck. Equipped with floats and folding wings, the AR-196 was designed to take off with the help of a 16-meter-long compressed air-driven catapult. Two such catapults were located amidship. Each could be extended 5 meters outboard for takeoff position. After its mission, the aircraft would land on the water and then be raised with the help of one of the large 12-ton boat-board cranes. Delivered by Demang, which could also be used to handle the Bismarck's boats, so the crane was from Demang. Once the ship's superstructure deck, the aircraft were moved around with a pair of small electrically operated overhead cranes constructed by Bollum and Voss and fitted below the funnel platform. There were 3 aircraft hangars in the vicinity of the catapults. Hangar number 1, also known as the Grossenflugengehall, yeah, I hacked that up, I'm sorry, accommodated 2 float planes with their wings floated. It was placed on the superstructure deck. 2 smaller single hangars were placed forward at the sides of the funnel. They were referred to as Hangar 2 and 3, port and starboard side respectively. Due to the limited space in the catapult area, the third pair of 10.5-inch mounts and large cranes had to be specifically aligned to allow for the aircraft's free takeoff. The 4 aircraft carried by the Bismarck had the following markings: T3 plus IH, T3 plus AK, T3 plus DL, and T3 plus MK. A total of 6 Eldorados could theoretically be embarked, the 2 additional ones to store directly on the catapults, but this solution would be impractical and was never implemented. So that's a little information on the aircraft, and if you want to know where I'm getting this information at, it is from this book right here. Oops, wrong one. The Autonomy of a Ship, the Battleship Bismarck, by Stefan Dermikius. These are fantastic books. There is the ISBN number. It's by Osprey Publishing, and it is a fantastic book with tons of detail. If you want to scratch build an interior, scratch build gun mounts, anything you want to know is in this book, down to the plans and all that good stuff, so you can build yourself a beautiful Bismarck. It also has all the history of everything that happened, all the major events and things like that, including the sinking, when it sunk the hood, all that good stuff. So the Battleship Bismarck and its aircraft. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Entering the giveaway, subscribe, comment on the videos, like the videos, share the videos. Let me know in the comments that you've done those things, so you can get your extra entries. Being a member of Patreon gets you bonus entries also. Facebook, social media, like these links here, liking photos, commenting on all of the social media, following me on Twitter, Instagram, will all get you entries into the giveaway. Once the money is all spent for the grab bag, a winner will be picked, and it will be sent away. Again, voting will be done at my Patreon page. It'll be the poll link in the description. This link here is the link to join Patreon, which you don't have to do the poll. So there'll be a special link marked poll, at the top of the description, telling you where to go for doing the poll to vote on what you want to see in the video, in the grab bag. So like I said, we've already picked one item for the grab bag. That is the micro applicators, and up for this grab bag is the burr tools, some Tamiya masking tape, the Stephen International sanding sticks, and also a package of K&S sanding film. So that is today's entries. Again, the links there, voting there, and again, everything is in the description below. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a fantastic day.